We'll guide you through how to download iris shaders and shader packs of your choice in Minecraft. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon. Also, like the video. Let's get right into it. It's pretty simple. Just go over to whichever browser you're using and type in iris shaders. Open up their website and hit download now. And download Universal Jar. Now, once we've got this downloaded, we don't need to do anything else right now. A big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're looking to create a Minecraft server, look no further than Apex Hosting. They provide lag-free customizable servers which are ready in just a few minutes. You can host your own adventures with ease. They offer a free subdomain, unlimited slots, 24/7 server support and automated backup. Please be sure to check them out. The link will be in the description of the video, and we'll also make a comment and pin it, and you can check them out. The next thing we should do is head over to CurseForge. You can just type it in your browser and open it up. Once you're in CurseForge, just hit Minecraft, then go to Browse All, then go to Shaders. And over here, you can see your shaders, the complementary shaders, and many more. You can add whichever shader that you want, and you can also add multiple shaders. But today, for the sake of the video, we're going to be downloading complementary shaders. So what you do is you just click the shaders that you like, go to Files, look for your Minecraft version. Mine is the newest one, so I'm just going to go for the newest shaders, click on the three dots, and download file. Once you've got these downloaded, you can just put them on your desktop like so, for your ease, and now we're going to be running the Iris installer. Once you've got this open, you can select your game version, enable Fabric mod support, install to Minecraft launcher, and click on install. If your Iris installer doesn't open up, then you probably need to download Java from the web. So open your browser once again and write java.com, open it up, and here is the button download Java for desktops. Hit download again, and then it will prompt you to save it up and install it. Once the Java is downloaded, you can right click your Iris installer and select open with, choose another app, select Java and do always. And if it still doesn't work, you can try doing a jar fix, which relinks Java and jar files all together. They may ask you to close out the Minecraft launcher, so we're going to go ahead and do just that. Press on cancel, try to install again, and it will happen just fine. Once this is completed, all we need to do is go back to our Minecraft launcher. Once we're in the launcher, we can check out this drop down right here, and it says Fabric Loader 121.11. Just click this. We just recently downloaded this, and we can hit on play and play again. Once inside your world, all you need to do is press escape, go to options, video settings, and shader packs. Now here they tell you to download shaders, but we've already done that, so all you need to do is open shader pack folder. Once you've opened it, as you can see, it's empty, so we need to drag these shaders right into this folder. Now we can go back into our game and our shaders should be installed properly. They're right there. Once you're done, you can hit apply and hit done. You also have your shader pack settings over here. If you want to tweak them, you can tweak your camera, your atmosphere, other lighting materials, and you can tweak it to make it run on your PC as well as you want it to. We can just hit on done here and enjoy the beautiful view. Look at that. That looks absolutely gorgeous. You can instantly notice a difference, and as you can see, my game is still running pretty smooth. If yours isn't, you can always tweak your shader pack settings, but for the most part, these shaders are very optimized, so you should be good. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today. Peace.